Hey folks, let me first introduce myself. My name is Nikhil. I handle innovations for a company called ZingHR. We are an HCM service provider. So today a lot of people have been asking me about what bots are, what are chatbots, and how can we leverage chatbots in human resource industry. So I've been wondering that how can a chatbot replace human? So a lot of people come and ask me that is there a way that chatbots can actually replace the humans in a way where it can also be used for tackling of HR queries, tackling of things that humans have been doing till date. Let's say from simple example of payroll processing. So asking a bot that will my payroll get processed? When will my payroll get processed? What is my leave balance? If all these kind of questions can be answered without a touch of human or without a human interference, then it means that the bot is doing its work. So how we have leveraged different technology stacks for creating chatbots is thing that we will talk about today. So we have been using a lot of frameworks. So we have been using Microsoft Lewis, we have been using Dialogflow, we have been using Rasa.ai, all these different SDKs to create our bots. We are also creating our own NLP engine, which can be used, which can be leveraged to take your HR bots to the next level. So how we have created? Also leveraging the next level of IoT devices like Google Assistant. We are working with Siri, we are working with Alexa and all these different IoT devices to make sure that you can just ask Alexa, hey Alexa, what is my leave balance? Hey Alexa, I'm not going to office today. Can you please tell my boss that I'll not be coming today? So a recent launch in the market is Captain Zingo. So we just launched Captain Zingo on Google Assistant. So you can just go on Google Assistant and just say, Captain Zingo, what is my leave balance? Captain Zingo, please wish an employee. Captain Zingo, please tell me what are the policies for my organization. And Captain Zingo will be able to answer all your queries over voice. So we have been having a strategy for moving to cloud first in early 2000s. So first we moved to cloud first. Later we said that okay, cloud is not working. Now it's the generation as soon as the Android ecosystem blew. We said that okay, now it's the time for mobile first. And from mobile first, now we are saying bot first. When talking about bot first, there are various things that we are considering or we are taking into consideration, like how do we leverage voice? So voice is going to be the future. So nobody is willing to just go and type. Nobody is willing to go on a computer to apply for leaves. Nobody is willing to go to an assistant. Right now we don't know. Whenever we go to visit a website or whenever we are on a website or something, we don't know whether we are talking to a robot or whether we are talking to a human. So bots are the new generation. So using deep learning and advanced neuroscience principles, you're saying that the bot can help you, help HR and help the entire ecosystem of IT grow and take it to the next level. So next time when you visit Google Assistant, don't forget to download Captain Zingo and say hello. The next question is, how do we leverage IoT, Internet of Things, in bots, and how can we leverage IoT in HCM? So we have been working with various IoT devices. So we have integrations with biometric devices which are outside. We have a device that you can just connect to your phone and using the fingerprint it can mark attendance. And we have integrations with various devices like Google Assistant, Alexas, and next generation of virtual assistants which are there in the market. So how do we leverage the technology to power these devices and actually make sense to human beings is one thing that we have been looking into. So using our science and philosophy of neuroscience and a lot of study that we have done in the background to understand what is the human behavior. So human is always looking for more and more convenience, and using our next generation tools, using Google Assistant and Alexa bots, they can get convenience of having their HR queries, of answering their HR queries on the fly. So just like asking Alexa that, hey Alexa, I'm not going to office today, please tell my boss I'll not be coming. So it's as easy as that, and Alexa just sends a request to your boss gets your request and he's able to approve it. So do you wish to automate HCM solutions for your organization using power of ZingHR bots? Please write to us at hello@zinghr.com and we'll get back to you. Thank you.